I want you to always get a response from your crush. And today, I'm gonna show you just how to do that. For example, I want you to start with what not to do. Do not say hi. That is your natural urge. That is your inclination, as is the other 100 guys that are hitting up her phone. In other words, if you just hit her up with hi out of nowhere, you're putting all pressure on her to create the conversation, yet you're the one that wants to talk to her. What makes you think she's gonna have any urge to respond to you? She's gonna leave you undelivered. It's too much work. Number 2, text her, saw this, thought of you. This is a real tactic. It's super easy. I call it the saw this, thought of you, right? Whatever you saw in the real world, meme, TikTok, Instagram post, I don't care, right? That you can somehow relate to her or some connection that you had with her. You send it to her, send her that message. I promise you, you get a response. See, this is a great real world tactic because it builds on an emotional connection. It triggers her memory response. Let me give you an example, especially if it's like you find some cute video of a puppy that's barely walking, all wobbly, and then you remember, yo, that's how she was walking after drinks in the bar. Like, you can make these types of relations all day long, and I promise you, you're gonna get a giggle out of her, and I promise you she's responding. Number 3, this reminds me, you wanna trigger a feeling. How you look in person will matter on how your message will be received. What that means is if she liked you, if there's something positive about you that she can remember, right, when she sees that message, that's the first thing that she's gonna remember. You're gonna trigger some sort of emotional response. For example, this is why I think scents are so powerful. Say you smelled amazing, like you just smelled delicious that day. You smelled unique, it smelled magnetic. It was a scent she's never smelled before. If you were this close to her, you were in her personal space, I promise you she picked up on that scent, and I promise you now she has a positive idea, right? She thinks, man, Jose smelled amazing that night. Jose then texts her the day after. The first thing she's gonna remember, Jose smelled amazing that night. You get where I'm going here. You smell great, you trigger her olfactory bulb, and she remembers something positive about you. What are the chances that she's responding to your text? They are high, in case you didn't know the response. The chances are high. This is why, I try to help you out with Santa Lucia. What I do with Santa Lucia is try to generate scents that make you smell delicious. Boys, you guys ravaged through my travel cases, by the way. I really like those. Those were my favorite ones. They're gone. You guys sold them out. Our new little travel bottles, they're gone, bro. You guys sad. Bro, and that was our last bit of our old collection fragrance. So for those of you that didn't get a chance to buy, I'm sorry, but this is your chance to buy now because we only have a little bit left of our dark collection. And once that's gone, you know what that means. It's gone. And our dark collection, I hate to say it, but you can hear reviews, was way better than our white collection. And this is coming from the guy that designed both. I love both. I'm emotionally connected to both. But everybody that reviews it says the same thing. Our dark collection with Santa Lucia is incredible. Azabache, Love, Gala, 3 unique dark scents for men that are ultra masculine that I promise you, you've never smelled before. And she's never smelled before. Which is exactly what I was trying to go for. I wanted you to smell unique. And today you can do that. If you guys click the link down below, you can check out the set of 3. Like I said, we don't got a lot left. This is gonna fly at this point. And once it's sold out, it's gone, bro. It is gone. I don't want you to miss out. If you guys click the link down below, you can check out the set of 3, and I'm gonna give you 40% off. 40%, you can buy them individually, but if I were you, I'd buy the set of 3, get that 40% off, and now you have a powerful collection of fragrances that'll make you unstoppable. If you guys wanna check it out, click the link down below. Number 4, you gotta speak her language. You gotta get to know her. What are her favorite artists? Bad Bunny? Okay, send her some clips of a recent concert he had. What's your favorite show? The Office? Okay, send her some memes of The Office. Number 5, never be vague. Don't text her, how are you? How was your day? What are you doing? You have to understand these are so vague, they give no one the urge to want to text back. Instead, I want you to let go. Get to the point. Be direct. Text exactly what you're thinking and just go for it. Be as direct as possible. I promise you, she'll respond to that. That's fresh. Men don't hit up her line like that. You will. 6, stay well cultured. Whatever's going on in culture at the time, for example, right now, literally my feed is like Elon Musk and Kanye West. So go down that route. Whatever's trending at the time that you know she'll probably want to voice her opinion or speak about, or get her away from work and school. Everybody has to deal with problems at work and at school. You want to get her away from reality a bit and entertain her some other way. And talking about what's going on with culture is the easiest thing to do. 7, leave on a high note. If you want her to text you every single time, you gotta leave on a positive note. In other words, once the ball's rolling, you got her laughing, everything's good. She's sending you paragraphs, you're sending her paragraphs, you're giggling, you're feeling warm inside. Be a man, all right? And you text her, yo, I gotta run. That's it. Leave on a high note. She's gonna be desiring for the next time that you text her, and I promise you, the next time you text her, it's like 100% chance she'll text you back.